Good afternoon, Aaron. I'd like to welcome Aaron Hughes with GAT. He's here today to talk about an exciting new innovation, an all-electric paint line, which is totally something that we haven't heard about before. So, Aaron, thank you for joining me this afternoon and your willingness to answer a few questions. Is that good?
Sounds great.
Okay, so my first question is, what factors played a role in Siemens' decision to move to an all-electric paint line?
The first factor was sustainability. They are committed to a very aggressive zero carbon footprint as a corporation. And so not only with their coating activities, but with all manufacturing activities, they took a deep dive and a hard look at all of those processes and looked for areas to convert to electric power only.
Okay. Can you tell me approximately how long this whole process took? I'm just curious.
Yes. So from the time we started talking with them to the time we put their first paint line in, it was about a 24-month period. Concurrently with that, they were having similar conversations with metal forming, metal cutting, metal bending manufacturers to address the entire plant.
Terrific. That's great. Can you tell me what benefits they're seeing now that the line is up and running?
Yes, first and foremost, we are reaching their goals ahead of schedule in terms of conversion to zero carbon footprint. The World Economic Forum has a goal of zero carbon by 2050. Siemens' goal is by 2030. We have reduced the metric tons of carbon produced on their paint line by hundreds of thousands of tons per year.
Wow.
When designing a paint line that is all electric, an extra careful care needs to be taken to address energy consumption and energy usage. And we did things like bottom entry and bottom exit ovens, which are the most efficient design. We converted to ambient chemistry over heated chemistry in the pre-treatment, and we added extra installation on every process that involved heat.
That's all great information, and I'm really excited to hear about it. Can you tell me if you think it's valuable for other manufacturers to attend the IHEA Decarbonization Summit to learn more about these innovative technologies that will help them reduce their carbon emissions and improve their efficiencies?
I can. I think one of the biggest values from the Decarbonization Summit is going to be exposure to just exactly what that challenge looks like. Sustainability sounds great when you talk about it in a boardroom or a conference room, but it's an enormous challenge to convert a manufacturing space to processes that eliminate or reduce the carbon footprint. Not just meeting with us, but manufacturers that have already blazed that trail, I think will be incredibly helpful for companies that have the same objective.
Great. Well, we're really grateful that you and a representative from Siemens will be at the summit and speaking. You'll also be on the panel, and we're excited to have you and them share all of the information that will help others achieve those same goals.
You're very welcome. Honored to be there and grateful and ready to share lessons learned and insight that's been developed through this process.
We truly appreciate it. Thank you, Aaron, and we'll see you at the end of the month.
Okay, and take care.
Take care.
Bye-bye.